Okay guys, I'm going to teach you how to, this is another concept for product design too. As you can see this one that is here. It's another concept. So I want to show how I got this particular concept. So we'll just go ahead and start the design. Like this is for smartwatch. So just, if you check the background, you see that it's white background, but there's some bubbles. That is bubbles at the background. I added bubbles to the background, so that's why it's like that. So we'll just go ahead and get the design done. So we'll just go ahead, change the background, make it white. Go to background setting. This is white. Then I'll just import the image first. That's the watch. Let me import the watch first. So this is the watch. So I'll just use relative position to position it very well this way. Then I will reduce the size a little bit, like 40. 40 will be okay. Yeah. So I'll lock it. Then I'll take this other one to the front side. We are working with this. Then the next thing there is new arrival, which is at the top. That is to add text. New arrival. New first. The color is red. Position it this way. And we're going to change the font. Now this one, yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, that's the font I use. New arrival. So just position it this way. Choose the size. Let's say 80. Then lock it first. Let's add the other text. Let me bring it down here so I'll be seeing what we are doing. Arrival. So you can as well increase the size. Then change the font. That one is, I use the font I downloaded. This is it. Then change the color. The same red as you can see. Reduce the size. Let's say 100. Use relative position. Position in this way. Reduce it again. Let's make it 90. Let's use. I think 80 is okay. New arrival. You lock it. Just this W is not showing well, so just give a little space. Try to show very well. Yeah, as you can see, new arrival. Then the next thing, 25% off. So just add. Let's get the new arrival. This is for the 25% off. Yeah. Use relative position it this way. Bring it. So with this, you can decide to increase the size. Let's say, okay, let's make it 90 or 100. Just use relative position it very well. Take it to the side. Then just duplicate it. Use it for the percentage. Is the next thing. As you can see, so you can reduce the percentage. Bring it this way. Increase it by 50. So let's add the off. And see, I'm editing everything. Is it capital letter? Okay, it's capital letter. So bring it this way. I still duplicate and use it. So just reduce the size. I think that is okay. So take it this way. Bring it down. Then go to the percentage and edit it. Then increase the size from here. You get what you want. Yeah, this is it. 25% off. So I've gotten that aspect. Then just add order now. Order now. Take this to the front so that I want to be seeing everything, so that I will just use it to be working. Order now. So click add text. Order now. I think it's capitalized. Is it? Yes, capitalized. So bring it down using relative position at the center. Then you add background. This is the background. The background is red. Then increase the padding, left padding maybe by 10. Increase right by 10 too. Make sure they're always the same thing. Then increase the radius to the highest, which is 100, to have this kind of shape. So okay, change the text color to white. This is it. Then you will just reduce the size, 30. Make it bold. This is it. But it's not positioned very well. Just use relative position. Position it at the center, just like that. So you can as well use spacing to space the letter a little bit. Then go back and still use relative position and position it very well. Then you lock it. So the next thing is to add this a kind of round shape. This round shape here is something I downloaded from internet. So I'll just import it. No, that's a mistake. I want to import image. So I downloaded it. You can also download yours. If you search for like a kind of dots, or this kind of dot cycle, you see something like that. So you can download yours. As you can see it here. This is it. So I'll just reduce the size. Use relative position, just position it this way. You can see that's just perfect. I lock it. Then this other one to add it up here. Still the same thing. I downloaded it. So I'll just import it. So if you want to download yours, you can also download it. Just go to PNG3 and download yours. So just I have them. Let's look for it. This one here. Okay, look at it here. So this is it. So the thing I just do, I just crop the part I need. you can see. I crop the part I needed. Let me crop it again. So that is it. Can reduce the size. Change the color. Just push it by one. Change the color to red. So just lock that one. So with this we have gone so far. Okay, we have not add the name of we have not add smartwatch, so we need to add the smartwatch. This is a very simple product design. Smartwatch. Increase the size. Just make it, capitalize it, I mean to say, then reduce the size. Use latest position it very well. Make it 28. Still change the color. That's it. Then make it bold. So use the same font you use. The font free. So that is it. So with this, I've gotten everything. Just remaining to add the bubbles. So I've gotten the design. Now let me tell you one thing. If you check in this design, you see that no location, no address, no logo. So the person, the client that will need to design this kind of thing, or if you are designing this kind of thing for your, like it's your product and you want to sell it, you have to add your, like your social media handle, add your location, like your address, your shop name. Let's just say your shop name, that your business name. That's what I mean. Then you can add your logo. So all those things are required. So this one, I just did this one based on personal, like trying to make out something. That's what I did. This one, I did not do this work for someone. I just try to put up something. That's why you see it like this. So if you check below this watch, you see like a kind of black shadow. So that black shadow is something, is we draw that one. So when you go to objects, like you go to object setting here, you see draw. You click on the draw, then come down. Increase this fill inside. Increase this blur radius. Those two things, make sure you increase them. So your pen size 10. So you just use your hand and draw. You can see as I'm drawing, it's showing. So you just draw. So if I okay it, you see how it is. So you just adjust it this way. So you can see it's very simple to do this kind of thing. You adjust it. Then you can reduce the opacity. So it's not be obvious like something they drew with hand. Use latest position it very well. No, it's now looking good. Increase the opacity a little bit. So this is what I just did. Just draw it. So just lock those things so that it will not move from there. Then the last but not the least, everything is just set. So just to add the bubbles. Now let me add bubbles. Let me bring the bubbles. I download them too. So you need, as a designer, you need to have different kind of elements that you will need for your design. So I download the bubbles. Yeah, this is the bubbles. Yeah, this is how it is. Let me hide this. So this is the bubbles. So I increase it. That's making it 100. Increase the size to 100. Okay, this is already increased it very well. I use late position to position it very well. Then the next thing I did was to take it to back. When I take it to back, I change the color, make it red. No, that kind of red. This one is a typical red. Just go, yes, typical red this way. Then what I did was to reduce the opacity. I reduce the opacity. Now let's check our this other work. As you can see, so you can see the difference. I reduce the opacity. So just lock this. So this is the final work here. So I just reduce the opacity. Everything is set. So don't forget, you have to, let me hide this other one. You have to add your logo, because just keep it like this. You add your business logo, add your social media handles, add your phone number, the way they will connect with you. You have to add everything. So before, if if you want to add the price for the product, you can as well add. If you check here, I do not add any price. I just only add the percentage that you are going to remove for the price from the price. So if you want to market this, if you feel like to add the price, you add the price. But don't forget, your handle, your social media handle is supposed to be there, your business logo is to be there. So that's all about this particular concept of product design. Thanks for watching, and God bless you. Don't forget, your likes, your shares, your comments are more important, and you also need to subscribe. Please subscribe and hit the notification button in case of when we drop a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. Thanks, and God bless you.